The Philippine pygmy woodpecker, Yungipicus maculatus, is a small, agile bird endemic to the Philippines, meaning it is found nowhere else in the world. Measuring around 12 to 13 centimeters in length, it is one of the smallest woodpeckers in the country. Its plumage is a mix of brown, white, and black, with distinctive white streaks and spots on its wings and back, providing excellent camouflage against tree bark. Males can be distinguished by a small red patch on the back of their heads, while females lack this marking. This species is highly active, often seen moving quickly along tree trunks and branches in search of insects, larvae, and small invertebrates hidden beneath the bark. It uses its sharp beak to peck at wood, creating a rhythmic tapping sound that is characteristic of woodpeckers. Unlike some of its larger relatives, the Philippine pygmy woodpecker produces softer, less resonant drumming sounds due to its smaller size. It inhabits a range of forested environments, from lowland rainforests to montane forests, and can even adapt to parks and gardens with sufficient tree cover. It is generally a solitary bird or found in pairs, though it may also join mixed-species flocks when foraging, sometimes joining mixed-species flocks that include elegant tit, sulfur-billed nuthatch, white eyes, and other small birds. They forage high up trees on twigs and smaller branches. They favor dead trees, where they typically peck and hammer before searching for food in bark and foliage. Its call is a series of high-pitched, squeaky notes, often heard before the bird is seen. The species' breeding season is from February to August, during which it nests in holes in trees. Although the Philippine pygmy woodpecker faces threats from deforestation and habitat destruction, it remains relatively widespread and is not currently considered endangered. Its ability to survive in secondary forests and urban green spaces has helped maintain its population. However, continued conservation efforts are essential to ensure its habitat remains intact for future generations. It lives in primary or secondary forests, plantations, forest edge, and even clearings with scattered trees, and can be found at altitudes varying from up to 2,500 meters above sea level. The IUCN Red List has assessed this bird as least concerned species, as it is common throughout its range and is found throughout the entire Philippines. Its population is still said to be stable, as it appears to be tolerant of degraded habitat.